I see that you are grooming your son, Dr. Cyril Oshiomhole.
He's not working under me.
But he's now working for the government of Edo State.
Oh, is that?
Oh, you're not aware?
He didn't work under me. You say I'm grooming. Maybe Governor Monday is grooming him.
Oh, really? Not your influence?
When I was in Edo, I stopped him when he wanted to go for House of Rep. I said no. I supported another guy. The second time he wanted to try again, I said no. This time, the governor decided to pick him. So he's qualified.
Is it without your permission?
Don't talk about permissions. My son is not under 30. He didn't need my permission, but I did express my concerns when I heard, and I called him and I expressed to him my concerns. I expressed those concerns to the governor, but people might say this, people might say that, and those were the reasons why I stopped him from contesting the election when I was in office. But then I have to accept that, in the world that we live in, you can only do so much to control your son, not when he's already of adult age. But the point must be made. I invested in my children's education. I didn't want them to go through what I went through, right? So Dr. Cyril is not only a medical doctor from EBU. He went to do postgraduate in 2 universities in the US, including Harvard, and another university in Louisiana. And he had done something about public health. And so about he's not having it because it's oshiomhole. I will say he's having it in spite of.